Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all? How are you all? Fine.
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. So, children, in the last class, we have done question number 22. And we have drawn 4 rectangles, similar rectangles. And we drawn like 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 2 by 6, 3 by 9 and all. Yes. And I have sent the notes. Maybe some children, they have not written that. So, we will just quickly revise question number 22. Okay. Clear? Question number 2 from page number. Take out your rough workbook. Children, page number 7. So I will draw that picture again. Okay, children. Though we have written, no need to draw it again. Is that clear, children? Page number 7, question number 22. We have drawn the picture. No need to draw it again. We are just revising faster.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So children, and okay. Draw 1 by 2, 1 by 4, and we have to compare. Drawing part we already done. So I'm just drawing so that we can quickly revise. No need to draw it now. Just listen. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, I draw now.
Joined now. We are not started anything new. We are just revising what we have done in the last class. Okay.
Ma'am, we should write.
This we have done.
Okay,
Question
ma'am.
number 22. Okay, this is children page number, those who joined late now. This is page number 7, question number 22, and we have drawn already. I'm just revising it again. Okay, children. So here we have 1 by 2. 1 minute. Okay, 1 by 2. Here we have to divide into 2 parts. 1 by 2. And the next one is 1 by 3. 1 by 3.
Should we write it?
No, we have done. We have done. Check in your children, check in your book whether you have completed this question. So this is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3. We have divided this picture now, this rectangle, into 3 parts. Next one is 2 by 6. So first I'm dividing into 3 parts. Again I'm dividing again. So I will get 6 parts. Okay.
Ma'am,
How?
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, that last the 3 by 9 I did not write.
You can write. So 3 by 9. First I draw here I have done with 3 parts. Again I'm dividing each part into 3. So I have 9 parts. Okay. So children try to make it equal parts. So here this much we have done. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2 we have this much big piece. 1 by 2. And next one is 1 by 3.
Ma'am, in the
We have
before
1
class.
by 3. Okay.
Ma'am, in the before class, I was not able to see the board.
Okay, now can you see the board now?
Yeah.
Okay, you can make it. So here 2 by 6. And this is 3 by 9. 3 by 9. 3 by 9. So children here, look at the picture we have. 1 by 2 is this much portion. 1 by 2. Okay. Till this much we have done in the last class. We have drawn, but we have not compared. And those children who have written, no need to write it again. So this here 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is this much portion. Okay. Now here 2 by 6. 2 by 6. Here, this much. And here this much we have 3 by 9. Now you can compare from the picture. Yes, Aditi, can you tell me which fraction is bigger? Which fraction?
Ma'am, 1/2.
Yes, 1 by 2 is bigger than all. 1 by 3, 2 by 6, and 3 by 9. So those children who have not written, you can write this. 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. Also 1 by 2 is greater than, which is the next one? 2 by 6. 1 by 2 is greater than 3 by 9. So children, 1 by 2 is the biggest fraction. We can see easily from the picture 1 by 2. So those who have not written, you can write this. Also children, look here in the picture.
We should write in the blank space.
Ah, yes. You have space there. Yes. Okay. Now look here children. Aditi, what about other fractions? 1 by 3, 2 by 6 and 3 by 9?
1 by 3 is equivalent to 2 by 6.
Look here, 1 by 3, here this much portion, and 2 by 6 also, they are equal. Very good. And what about this 3 by 9? They are also equal. Equal. So children, we can write here 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 6, and 2 by 6 is equal to 3 by 9. Understood? So we have to write only these two here. What we had to write here? 1 by 3, 2 by 6, 3 by 9. They are equal. And 1 by 2, 1 by 3, they are 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. 1 by 2 is greater than 2 by 6. 1 by 2 is greater than 3 by 9. Only this much you have to write. Okay, so those who have not written, only they can write it fast now. Children, 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3.
Excuse me, ma'am.
1 by 2 is greater than 2 by 6. 1 by 2 is greater than 3 by 9. Okay, who was calling me?
Nothing. I was telling. I can see that one. It's one comparing.
You cannot see. Huh? See, you can write, okay, 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. 1 by 2 is greater than 2 by 6. 1 by 2 is greater than 3 by 9. Only this 1 by 2 is greater. All other you can write here. They are smaller. And here what we can write? 1 by 3, 2 by 6, 3 by 9. They are equal. So children, I have sent this in the WhatsApp also. You can check that. Okay. I have sent that notes. Yes, children? Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
all the children, those who have completed,
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Not finished.
write it first. I have sent these notes.
And there's a student from other.
They will left. Okay. So children, write only these all pictures we have drawn in the last class. Only thing you have to write 1 by 2 greater than 1 by 3. 1 by 2 is greater than 2 by 6. 1 by 2 is greater than 3 by 9. And here one more thing, 1 by 3, 2 by 6, they all are equal 3 by 9. And children, I have sent these notes. Write it fast. Only writing part we have. Or drawing we have finished. So children, we are going to start the new topic, that is 8.2. Like and unlike fractions. Children, please stop writing. Now we are going to start the new topic. No need to write that now. Okay. So be attentive, Shami. Fresh up. Very good. Sit straight. We are going to new topic. Start new topic, that is like fractions and unlike fractions. So what is like? Before starting like fraction, unlike fraction, can you tell me what is fraction? What is a fraction?
Fraction is a part of a whole.
Okay.
Part of a whole.
Fraction is a part of a whole. Okay, fraction is a part of a whole. Very good. What about equivalent fraction?
Fractions that share the same number.
Part of a whole. Very good.
Number of parts.
Same part of a whole. Very good. So children, fraction that denote the same part of a whole is called equivalent fraction. And what is equivalent? What is fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. Okay, so we learned what is a fraction, what is an equivalent fraction. Now we are going to learn what is like fraction and unlike fraction. Okay, children. So now, Manjima, can you give me an example for a fraction? Can you give me an example? Manjima? Any example for a fraction?
Ma'am, 4 by 3.
4 by 3. Okay, very good. 4 by 3. So here we have 4 by 3 is an example. 4 by 3 is an example for a fraction. Okay, Celine, can you tell me which is the denominator? Which is the denominator here?
3.
3. Very good. 3 is the denominator. Okay, children, no need to write anything. Just listen. Denominator. And Srihari, which is the numerator? Which is the numerator? Which is the numerator? Yes, Kirtana.
Ma'am, 4.
4. Yes. Numerator. So 4 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. So children, you know the denominator is the number that is written below. That is down. That is written below. So that is denominator. Now we are going to learn like fraction. Like fraction. So what is like fraction? Please listen carefully. Fractions with same denominator. Okay. So children, what is a like fraction? Fraction with same denominator. Same denominator. So what will be unlike fraction?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
What is a like? What will be unlike fraction?
Fraction without same denominator.
That means fraction with different. Yes, without same means we can say with different. Okay. Fraction with same denominator is known as like fraction. Fraction with different denominators is known as unlike fraction. Okay, Manav. Yes, Manav.
How can you do 4 by 3, ma'am? Numerator is how much parts you take.
No problem. We can. We will learn like that fraction in our higher classes. Okay, class 5 and all we will have that. Okay, but that is also a fraction. Okay, Manav. Okay, so children, listen carefully, all of you. Here I said like fractions, they are fraction with the same denominator. Same denominator, they are known as same denominator. For example, I can take 1 by 6, 3 by 6. So which is the same denominator here? Which is the same denominator here? 6. Okay, same denominator. So what children, what is like fractions? Fractions with same
denominator.
1 by 6, 3 by 6. Which is the same denominator here? 6. Okay. Now, we are going to write here unlike fraction. Unlike fraction. So here what is that? Fraction with different denominator. Different denominator. Different denominator. Now, for example, I can take any fraction with a different denominator. I can write 3 by 4, 1 by 2. Here, look here, the denominators are different. So they are example for, unlike. Okay, so children, how we can define like fraction? Fractions with the same denominator. Fractions with same denominator, that is known as like fraction. Fraction with different denominators, that is known as unlike
Unlike
fraction.
fraction.
So it's easy, very easy. Yes, you have to remember same denominator means like fraction. Different denominators means unlike fraction.
fractions.
Understood? Okay, now will I
Unlike
ask
fractions.
one by one. Listen carefully. Yes,
Ma'am,
sir.
I have one doubt.
Yes, Hridvi.
Ma'am, you like fractions, it will be 6 by 6 like that also will come.
6 by 6, no problem. But the only we are looking at the denominator. Okay? 6 by 6 and 1 by 6
Ma'am,
is the denominator.
ma'am, 6.
6.
Ma'am, is 6 by 6 a fraction?
We can write like 1 also like that. Okay, 6 by 6 also we can write that is a. Okay, now all of you listen carefully. Sarah, tell me, give me an example for like fraction.
2 by 3.
2 by 3 and? 2 by 3 and?
3 and 1 by 3.
Very good. 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. So which is the denominator, children, here? It is 3. 3. 2 by 3, 1 by 3. They are like fractions. Okay, Felix, can you give me an example for unlike fraction?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, unlike fractions.
4 by 6.
4 by 6 and
3 by 2.
3 by 2. Okay, or 2 by 3, anything. That denominators are different. So children, this is very easy. Yes, same denominator means like fraction. Different denominators, that means unlike fraction. Okay. Yes, Felix. We have to study one more. Yes.
Is 3 by 4 a fraction?
3 by 4 is a fraction. Yes.
4. Not 3 by 4. 4 by 3 is a fraction.
4 by 3. Yes.
Ma'am,
That is improper fraction. That fractions we will study later, not in this class now. Okay, children, now listen to me one more time.
I have a doubt.
Who is that?
Riza.
Yes, Riza.
Ma'am, does 1 by 2 and 2 by 1 will be in unlike fraction?
Yes, because the denominators are different. 1 by 2 and 2 by 1. 1 by 2, which is the denominator? 2. 2 by 1, which is the denominator? 1. They are different. Okay. So, okay. Very good questions. Okay, children, now listen carefully. One more fraction we will learn. That is unit fraction. Till now, we are learning only about denominator. Like fraction means same denominator. Unlike fraction means different denominators. Now we are going to learn about numerator, something about numerator. So listen carefully, children, here. Fractions with the numerator is 1. Okay. So we are going to learn unit fraction. Unit. Unit. You know, unit means what? 1. Unit place, ones place. We have studied like this. Ones place can also be said as unit place. So unit fraction. So here, what is unit fraction? Fraction with numerator is equal to 1. Numerator is 1. If the numerator is 1, we can say that fraction is unit fraction. For example, I can write 1 by 6, 2 by 6 we cannot write because the numerator should be 1. I can write 1 by 10, 1 by 10, 1 by 100. So Arpita, which is the numerator here? Arpita?
1.
1. So what is unit fraction? Fractions with numerator is equal to 1. Okay. Fraction with numerator is equal to 1. That is known as unit fraction. So children, we learned today 3 types of fraction. First one is like fraction, unlike fraction, unit fraction. So what is the like fraction? Fraction with same. I will ask you now, children. Okay. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Alessandra, maybe some network issue for there. Okay, that's why voice. Okay, fraction with same denominator. That is known as like fraction. Fraction with different denominators. That is known as unlike fraction. Fraction with a numerator is 1. That is known as unit fraction. Okay, who can tell me what is like fraction, unlike fraction, and unit fraction? Yes, Sarah. Janvi. Listen carefully, Felix. Sarah and Janvi is going to say the answers. Listen carefully, you will understand. Okay, Sarah. What is a like fraction?
Fraction with same denominator is like fraction. Fraction with different denominator is unlike fraction.
Very good. Next question is for Felix. Listen carefully, okay?
Fraction with numerator is unit fraction.
Fraction with the numerator is equal to 1. That is called unit fraction. Okay, Janvi.
Unit fraction.
Janvi. Children, listen carefully. What is like fraction?
Like fraction means
Fractions with
denominator same.
Yes, very good. Same denominator. Same denominator, like fraction. Very good. Then
Unlike fraction means fractions with different denominator.
yes, fractions with different denominators. Very good. What about unit fraction?
Fractions with 1 as the numerator.
Fraction with the numerator is 1. That is known as unit fraction. Yes, Srihari. Yes.
Can I say?
Yes, Srihari. Very. What is like fraction?
Fractions with same denominator is called like fractions.
Yes, very good.
Fractions with fractions with different denominators.
Different denominators. That is known as
Unlike fractions.
unlike. Very good. Okay, very good. Then
Fractions with 1 as the numerator is called unit fraction.
unit fraction. Very good. Yes, Felix. What is a unit fraction?
Fraction with numerator 1.
Numerator is 1. That is known as unit fraction. Okay. Then what is like fraction?
Number with the same denominator.
Fraction with the same denominator. Okay. Fraction with the same denominator. Very good. Okay. What about unlike? Fraction
with different denominators.
different denominators. Very good. Okay, children. So can you take out your rough book? I will give you some questions. What you have to do? You have to identify which is the like fraction, which is unlike fraction, which is unit fractions. Okay, children. Yes.
And
Take out your rough book. Please mute your audio, all of you. Srihari, mute your audio. Srihari. Okay, children. Identify. So, children, I will do with some examples. Listen here. 1 by 3, 2 by 3. Same denominator. What is that? Like. Okay, like this you have to write. Like or unlike or unit. So what is unit fraction? 1. Numerator is 1. So if I write 1 by 3 or 1 by 3, 1 by 2, everything that is unit fraction. Okay, so children, identify. No need to write this one. Identify. You can write only the numbers, fractions. Identify the fractions as like fraction, like, unlike, unit. Okay. Children, what you have to do? You have to identify which fractions are like fractions, which fractions are unlike, and which fraction is unit. Okay. So question number 1. No need to write this. Why I write here? You can look at the spelling to write it like, unlike, or unit. So 2 by 6, 3 by 6. You can write this and write what is that? Is it like or unlike or unit? Okay. 5 questions you will get, and you can count your marks. 7 by 9, 4 by 9. Okay, question number 3. 1 by 9. What is that fraction? Question number 4. 7 by 10, 4 by 5. Question number 5. 2 by 7, 3 by 9. You have to identify whether these fractions are like fractions, unlike fractions, and unit fraction. So children, 1 by 2, 3 by 6. Write that and write, is it like, unlike, or unit? Write down all these 5 questions, and each question carries 1 mark. Let me see who got 5 marks. How many children got 5 marks? Is that finished? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Let them write. We will give 1 more minute. Okay, we will start with Izan. Izan, can you tell me the answer of question number 1?
Like
2 by 6, 3 by 6?
is like fraction.
Very good. Like fraction. So children, if it is like fraction, you can give 1 mark. If it is, if you have written like fraction, then you can give 1 mark. Yes, Juwan, question number 2. Juwan. Yes. Like fraction. Yes. Children, here 6, the same denominator. So that is known as like fraction. Here also the same denominator. So that is also like fraction. Very good. So children, if you got the correct answer, you can make it 1 mark. Yes, Diya, which is the answer of question number 3?
Unit.
Unit fraction. Very good. Why? Because the numerator is here 1. Unit fraction. Yes, Diya.
Ma'am, does 3 by 2 is a fraction?
Yes, don't worry about that, like that fraction. That is a fraction, but you are not learning like that fractions. That is called improper. We will study later. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
We will study all that later. Okay. Now, next one, Rayan. Question number 4. What is that fraction? Question number 4. Which fraction?
7 by 10.
7 by 10 and 4 by 5.
4 by 5.
Which is that?
Unlike.
Unlike. Very good. Unlike. Why? Because the denominators are different. Denominators are different. Okay, Arpita.
Yes, ma'am.
Last question. Question number 5.
2 by 7 and 3 by 9. Unlike.
Unlike, yes. Again, because they are different denominators. Here, see, 9 and here 7. Okay. So, question number 1. Children, please check. Question number 1 is like fraction. Question number 2 is also like fraction. Question number 3 is unit fraction. Question number 4 and 5, they are unlike fractions. So children, I hope all of you have finished. And let me know how many got 5 on 5. Can you raise your hand? Yes? Very good. All of you got? Okay. So children, can you quickly take out your workbook page number 7? Workbook page number 7. Yes, children, very good. So very easy. Yes, like fraction means same denominator. Unlike fraction means different denominator. Unit fraction means numerator is 1. Yes, I can see all of you got 5 on 5. Very good. Page number 7, your workbook 8.2. Okay, question number 1. Avantika OS, read question number 1. Yes, Avantika?
Observe the given figure and answer the question that
Yes.
follow.
The fraction. Read question number 1.
The fraction
Represented by
color is
how many is colored out of how many is total? Count. Tell me the answer.
3 by 12.
Very good. 3 by 12. So what's the option? Option A. Okay, very good. Children, you can make it. Okay, now question number 2. Yes, Krishnanda. Question number 2. Yes, Krishnanda. Fraction.
The fraction represented by
Which color?
blue
Blue. Okay.
color is 5 by 12.
Very good. What's the option?
D.
D. 5 by 12. Very good. So question number 3. Yes, Janika.
The fraction
Represented.
by color is
Ah.
4 by 12.
Yes, 4 by 12. What's the
4
option?
by 12.
12. Very good. Option
D.
D. Okay. Now, Manav, question number 4.
Okay, ma'am. The fraction of the parts not shaded in the figure. 2
Yes.
by 3.
2 by
Option
3. Option C.
C.
Very good. So this is very easy. So question children 5 and 6 you can do as homework. 5 and 6. What is an example for like fraction, unlike fraction? Okay.
Ma'am, I finished till
Finish.
8 question.
Till 8. Very good. So they is very easy. So children, you can complete till 6. Okay. 4 and 5. Till 4 we have written Alessandra here. Now till 6 you can do. Okay.
And can we do till 8 question?
Yes. If you know, you can do. Okay, children. Bye. Come, you can do the homework. Okay, bye. Thank you.